Sawadika, hi everyone. Today I'm going to share with you on how to make Thai red curry paste from scratch and ways to store them. This paste can be used to make recipes that calls for red curry paste, for example, stir fries or red curry. You can store them in the fridge for many days or for months in the freezer. Keep watching to see ways on how to store them for future use. Let's take a look at the ingredients. We have lemongrass, galangal, kaffir lime zest, plain water, pepper, salt, shrimp paste, red shallots, garlic, and dried chilies. We need to soak these to rehydrate them as we want them to be soft. We are going to pound our lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime zest, which are all thinly sliced, together in this pestle and mortar. It is recommended for you to use a pestle and mortar for this step. This is what it should look like. We will be blending this with the rest of the ingredients.
Full quantity details is in the description box below.
Your electric blender has to be above 1000 watts. If not, your paste won't be as fine as we need it to be. Now we are going to stir fry our red curry paste. So start off with about 3 tablespoons of your cooking oil. Add plain water and continue to stir fry for 3 to 5 minutes or until the water has fully evaporated. We start off on medium heat and then slowly turn down to low heat. And this is the final product after stir frying for about 3 to 5 minutes. We are now going to transfer it for it to be stored in the fridge. So this is one of the 2 ways that you can store your red curry paste. The other way is to store it in a container. When your red curry paste have cooled down, transfer it into a Tupperware and keep it in the fridge. Thank you for watching. See you next time in the next Thai recipe video. Bye bye.